Snab Business makes accounting easier by keeping track of purchases, expenses, sales, and producing automated PDF reports. It's perfect for small and medium enterprises for effective finance transaction tracking. Now we explain some key features of the Snab Business application. Snab ensures correct financial data and minimize errors. Track and record sales efficiently, producing comprehensive reports that offer insights into income streams to support well-informed decision-making. To add sales, sign up with your email. Click the plus blue button, click on Sales, enter the sales data, select the date and customer, select from existing customers, or adding new ones with details. Helps with effective inventory management by keeping an extensive record of purchases and controlling supplier transactions. To add purchases, click the plus blue button, click Add Purchase, enter the purchase list data following the required information, select a date and supplier, select for existing or new supplier. Maintains financial stability by monitoring expenditures, classifying company expenses, and managing budgets. To add expenses, click the plus blue button, click Add Expense, enter the expense data following the required information, select the date and expense category, click on the tick. For efficient debt management, keep a thorough record of all loans, including amounts, interest rates, and payback schedules. To add a loan transaction, go to the drawer menu and click on Loan Register. Click on Add a Loan. Enter the details, choose the loan type, lend or borrow. Click Payment and enter the details. Finally, clicking on Add. Invoice management is important for expediting billing procedures, enhanced cash flow management, and administration of invoices. To add custom invoices, click the plus blue button, click Add Custom Invoice, click plus Add Custom Invoice, enter company data, click on the product and put the data. You can write a description, put a date, and then attach media also. Click on Save. Invoices are successfully added. Now go back and click on Edit or PDF. You can generate a PDF from here. Supplier relationship management involves tracking contracts and orders, ensuring payments are made on schedule, and maintaining a seamless supply chain. To add suppliers, navigate to the drawer, click Suppliers, click on Supplier, click plus a supplier, enter the required details, click on Add.
Your supplier successfully added.
Helps small business owners stay on top of important dates by scheduling meetings, business activities, and deadlines. To schedule booking, navigate to the drawer, click on My Bookings, select the date and enter the details. Click on Add. Now click the blue line at the corner. You can view your appointments from here. You can also update or delete your booking. One of the main features of the Snab Business app is customer data management. To add your customers, navigate to the drawer, click Customers, click plus Add Customers, enter the required details. At the end, click on Add. A new customer has been added successfully. Makes data-driven decisions for small businesses, using AI to forecast sales, evaluate trends, and improve inventory management. You can add employees for efficient HR operations and successful team management. You can generate your digital reports. For Create Reports, navigate to Drawer, click Reports, choose the report type and date, click on Generate. You can view your reports or print in one command. Download now Snab Business.